FitcamX dash cam. Woo! Now Honda Passport 2026. Ooh. There you go. It's pretty easy. There we go.
Got it.
Alright. No tabs broken. Success so far. Alright, so we gotta get that. Next is this guy. Okay, that stuff there. Okay. And it should be. You see them right there?
Right there.
Alright, everybody drops these in other videos. Let's see. Okay, let's see. There you go. Feel it coming out. Let's not drop it. Oh, two-hand maneuver. Ooh. There we go. You want to put it on the tray? Alright. Really gotta force it in for the first couple turns, then it gets loose. Alright, let's see if I can get this one too. Ooh, almost dropped that one. Yeah. Alright, let's take off this guy. Supposedly, after you take out the screws, there's just two pop-in tabs over here. So you can kind of just, let's see. No, baby. There you go. You just gotta pull down.
Pull down hard.
Pull down hard.
Maybe.
Maybe. There you go. Ooh. And that's these things right there that go in there. So.
Oh, okay.
Pretty nifty. And then this. And I think it goes in this far one here, right? I think that's what they were doing.
I thought it was this one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was pointing at that.
Yeah.
Cool. The pry tool. Just gotta click it. That's the thing. There you go. Yep. So you just gotta press down on that and then pull towards you. I believe. Which way does it go?
This goes into there, right? So that goes into this side.
So this goes into here.
Yeah, I think so. Because that can't go any other way.
I see. Okay. Yep, clicked in.
And then that goes into that box.
Yep. Cool. Okay, boom. There you go.
Can I let this hang?
Yeah, you can let it hang. Cool, and then what we'll have to do is install this in front.
Okay.
And then run this wire through here basically. So before I install it in.
Oh yeah, we need to run the wire first.
Yeah.
Do that last because we're gonna have fingerprints, right?
Well, it'll be hard because once it's on there.
Oh.
So I can always microfiber clean it. But I guess this is not where the instructions are clear. I should probably put the rear camera in there too. I probably should because it'll. Yeah. Actually, I'll do that. Yeah, actually, that's so weird. I might not have to put the rear cam. Let's go see here. Okay.
So what do you want me to do?
So, do you see the holes over there by chance?
I'm going like up in here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just feed both of them through.
hold on, let me.
Yep, got it. Perfect.
Got it.
And I'm thinking, I don't think it makes sense to put the rear through here.
But doesn't
Maybe?
the rear, where does this one connect?
So this one connects this.
Oh, and then this connects to this.
Yeah. But if we're routing that, I'm trying to think, because
it might just pop up here.
yeah. Well, so actually maybe that does make sense.
No, because then it would have to pop out of here.
Yeah. So like when I put this on, right, this wire will be sticking out.
Oh, but
Do I
that
want it?
doesn't make sense.
Yeah. So
either.
maybe I should put it through there, and then I can route the wire.
So you want me to put it through?
Yeah. I guess this will be hard.
Right?
Yeah. Because I'm
Because
thinking.
then how do I get it
Because once I
out?
put this in.
How do we get it out?
Oh, I guess we could do is let it hang out from there. Yeah, but like it doesn't make sense that it would hang out from here, right? Like here,
Right,
like I don't
right.
think it could snap in. So I think we got to do this way.
I think we have to do it that way
So
too.
that's fine, and then we can always take it.
We can always pop this back out
Yeah.
if we feel like we hate this.
Yeah. All right, so both wires are through, right?
Through.
So what we'll do is, can you connect? Let's see. Does that say rear?
Yeah.
So let's do this and that together. You got it?
Mm-hmm. Does it matter how I do it?
I don't think so. I think just gotta twist it.
Okay, I'm connected, I think. Yeah.
Cool. Let's see. There's lights on, right?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so she's working.
No, it has to go like. Like that. Is your side lined up? Yeah. I don't want to pop it in if it's not lined up.
All right.
I'm kind of off.
I wonder. There's actually a wire. See how?
Oh yeah.
So maybe I think I do need to put that dash cam back there.
So I got it.
Well, I got the other wire.
Okay.
Perfect. Yep.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. All right. See, we learned it. All right. Let's see.
Yeah, just like, there
Yep.
we go.
There you go. Snaps right in place.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
that
Now I
makes
guess.
sense. And then we.
Okay. Okay. Boom. All right.
So now we can put this in.
Yep. Everything's connected. Just make sure. Wire. Adapter. Plugged into the headliner light or whatever. Boom. I think it's pretty good then. Let's see.
You gotta get those bottom prongs in.
Yeah. So let me try to move the wire over a little bit. It's kind of just going in the way. Okay.
Good.
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Cool. And I just gotta put those screws back in. Try this again. Try this again. Might just be easier with this. Got it in. We'll try your side. Yours is way more aligned. Maybe. Oh. I dropped. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, I dropped it. So Rachel's gonna try attempt it now. It's just a hard angle.
Hold it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is flush.
Yeah, I think you got it in. Look at you.
First try and everything. Woohoo!
I'm gonna hire you. FitcamX. Send this girl to China. She can be working at that factory install.
Oh, Pepper girl. She's not moving. Pepper girl. Hi. You gonna go with Grammy? Come on. There we go. Okay.
Just double make sure here. Extra tight, extra tight. Boom. Those 2 screws are annoying. Fun part is the rear camera. We'll read the instructions here before we install it, but basically, looks like we're gonna have to put it here, and everyone puts in the headliner up here and runs it through the side. So, okay. So give it a little slack, but supposedly you can just bend it in here. Let me see if I can kinda. Oh yeah, the headliner does come out.
Do you want to start in the corner so that cable's like right?
Yeah. Let me see if I can go this way. Oh yeah, it's a better angle.
That's good.
Oh yeah. Some things this thing, but if I can shove it in there, should be good.
Or at least if everything else is sucked in around it.
If I can get this. Use that middle part. There we go. It's just all these awkward angles. There we go, yeah. Yeah, there's definitely like a room up here for it. Oh. Show you the headliner. If you can see it. That piece sticks out where it connects, but as long as the wire's in there, it should be tucked. Alright, so debate, obviously, take that off, but you can just kind of tuck it in there. And then we're gonna put it through the weather stripping right here. All the way through. Use my fingers. Make it nice and tight. And then, look at that. Just shove it right in there.
Cool.
See?
Okay, that's a lot easier than I thought it would be.
Yeah, right? Don't make it too hard here. Show you here. It's pretty easy with this trim, especially when you got the trim tool here. Open it up. Let's see if I can do this one hand. And just shove that in there, and you can also shove it even more. Let's see if we can get it focused. Yet, basically shove that in there, and we can hide that wire more in there. Boom. Don't even know it's in there. Very nice. Okay, let's get the back going. Got my anniversaries. The difficult part is...
I was going to say, how are we going to do that?
Yeah, I'll show you in a minute. So read these instructions with me. This side up, so this has to be up. So when we put it in here,
Yeah.
I think it's got to be like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
It sticks right there, so that's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
And we put at the top here?
Yeah, so what we're gonna do,
Okay.
so right, so get this, right? There's a way to, this just snaps out.
Okay.
And what we're gonna do is, see the wires right here? So we're gonna push it in here. And I've seen some people take this off and shove it in here. And then you can basically, it goes with these wires up here.
Yeah.
And then you can basically shove it through
Can
here.
you pop this off easy?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So, that'll be the hard part. That'll be the fun part. Let's see. Alright, let's see. We're gonna take off this top cover. See how easy it is?
Yeah.
There we go. Let's see if I can just... Let's see.
Do you want to pop this whole panel off or just a little bit of it?
Just a little bit of it. Yeah, I don't think I do the whole thing. It's like right here. There you go. Yeah. Look at you. Definitely loosened it. There you go. Just this middle part.
There we go.
There we go. Alright,
That's green.
Yeah. So it looks like there's like one right here and then like one big one right here on the corners.
Okay.
And the middle is kind of annoying, but
Yeah.
you can see the tops, yeah?
Yep.
How those things sticking up.
Yeah.
So that's one, and then I think there's this middle one right here.
Yeah.
Usually in other videos, the wire's right here, but we're gonna try and look more into this headliner and see if it's in there. We'll see. We found out we can just feed the wire through this little hole here, and then shove here, and then boom. You see there.
Boom. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna feed it through here. Supposedly, it's not always the easiest, but we'll see.
Yeah, rubber.
Yeah. I've seen some people just zip tie it next to it, which you can do, but try and make it clean. Some guy said he put WD-40 on it. Alright, still shoving it through. It's the tedious part. Probably easier if you get like a wire hanger or something with it and fish it through, but making progress. Oof, finally got it through. Just gotta get the last one. This is definitely the tedious part. Alright, finally got this panel out from the top of the window. Feed it through the grommet there. And then I think we can do one more over, huh?
Yeah.
Let's try that. And actually, there's even a wire that goes right there, so.
Yeah, there's room, I think.
Yeah. Let's see if I can feed her through. Side up.
And I'll go like that.
Right. And I guess I could have downloaded the app and see how it looks, but like I'm just gonna stick it back here. Like,
Yeah.
so what we can do, so this is the middle of the car, right? Middle, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna follow it and like do it right there.
Yeah.
Boom. Alright. We're gonna stick it. Ready?
Ready? Go for it.
Boom, 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 boom. Right in the middle. And there's that like that ledge that hits that, so that's good. So you know it's kind of leveled in.
Perfect.
Ooh-wee. Alright. Feed all these wires back in here. excess wire. I'm just gonna put most of it back here. Put that grommet right there. That.
Should we pop this in?
Yeah, let's pop that first. Alright, wire in there. Put a lot of the excess up in there. Let's see if it'll fit.
Is the wire on like a place that has to pop in?
Oh, no, it's just right there.
Okay.
Let's put this back in.
Nice.
There you go.
Good.
Snap, snap, snap. Yeah, so yeah. So the wire, right there. You can barely tell it's in there. So boom.
Okay.
Throw that up there. Reseal it. Just gonna put this in there. Yep, there you go. You can hear little pops when it seals up. So it's pretty sealed now.
Okay. And the bottom one.
Just gonna. Come on, baby. So that's pretty much in there. What do you think? Looks like it's good on that side.
Gotta do that. Yeah, that one.
Okay. That's pretty much it. It's like just, even that's a lot.
Yeah, that
so
actually.
actually I see why.
Oh. Yeah.
Make sure you put that over it. And then, there we go. Boom. Yeah. Finish. There was just one clip that was not going all the way, but whatever. We're just gonna do it live. Okay, final install overview. Just about to download the app. Download the app here and see how it is. Let's see if we can see in the back. I'll try and take a video of the back there, but you can't really see it. You can see it just pop up a little bit, the rear camera, so it's not too bad, form factor wise. Alright, just connecting the app here. Okay, looks like you gotta connect to the Wi-Fi, unable. Let's try again. Okay. Alright, just join the network there. Let's see. Add camera. For whatever reason, it took me like 3 times to enter the Wi-Fi password, but we'll see. Come on. Alright, we'll see. It keeps failing connection, but we'll keep trying. Good news, I got it working. I think it was kept on connecting to the pilot or the passport here. So it was not connecting. If you have any issues connecting to the Wi-Fi, and definitely turn off your car so your local network won't interfere trying to connect. But boom, there we go. Let's see if we can do a full screen here. Probably fix the back cam a little bit. I think I could maybe move it down a little more. See if I can go swap any glare a little hard on a sunny day. But yep, looks like it's working. I'll play around with the app here. Pretty easy install. So the only hard part was going through the back there, but yeah. And I'll show the back before I end this video. But yeah, that's the FitCam. And here's the back view. See if I can get close up there. Just sticks out a little bit, not too bad.